Hi creators! Today, I'll show you how to do YouTube content planning, a game-changing strategy that will help you avoid distractions and focus entirely on your next great video. We will be using a Kanban board to organize and streamline our workflow. This visual tool helps you manage tasks efficiently by organizing them into columns, usually labeled To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can create a board with pen, paper, and some post-it notes, or you can try our app Kanbanchi for free. Log into Kanbanchi using your Google account, then click on Create New Board. Now, it's time to set up your columns. For a YouTube channel, I recommend Ideas, To Do, Doing, Scheduled, and Published. Then, start adding cards to the Idea column, each one representing a video. They don't need to be well thought out. Think of this as a brainstorming session. After you have a few ideas laid out, pick the first one you want to start working on and move it to the to-do list. For example, I will be working on how to build your own gaming PC. Start by setting a start and due date, changing the color and labeling your cards to easily identify them. Next, map the necessary steps to complete your video using a checklist or subcards. For this video, that will include listing and purchasing necessary components, script writing and planning shots, filming the assembly process, editing video and creating a thumbnail, and adding music and voiceovers. If you work with a team, it is always a good idea to delegate tasks. Assign each checklist item or subcard to the person responsible for the task. Once you start to actually work on a video, move it to the Doing column. While you're working on it, you can attach files from your Google Drive to your card, making them very easy to find. You can also add comments for your colleagues to see on your cards. After you finish each subcard or step of your checklist, mark it as completed to see the progress reflected on the completion percentage of your main card. Once your video is ready, move it to the Scheduled column. Update its due date to when you want to post it, so you're notified when the time comes. Once the video has been posted, move it from the Scheduled to the Published list. This not only gives you a satisfying sense of completion, but also helps you visualize all the work you accomplished. The Kanban method has helped thousands of YouTubers achieve what once seemed impossible. Get Kanbanchi now at a 40% discount through the link in the description.